Hi, so in this video we're going to be working finding the area of different polygons using trigonometry, right? So in this case I have first the area of a triangle given side angle side, right? So I can find that area by multiplying 1/2 times B and C and the sine that is included. So again, the area of the triangle is going to be 1/2 times the two sides times the sine of the angle included. So let's see. So this one, I have angle, I have, sorry, I have side, angle, side. So I can use the formula, right? So again, my area of this triangle, the area A equals 1/2 of the two sides times the sine of the included angle. So in this case, so the area here is 14.7 feet square. Make sure in this case that your calculator is in degrees. Second one, so again, I have two sides and the included angle, so I can go the area equals 1/2 of the product of the two sides times the sine of the included angle. So the area here is 4.4 meters square. Number 3, again, I have the included angle and the two sides, so my area is 1/2 of 2 times 6 times sine of 150. So that means that my area here is 3 feet square. Now, I don't have a triangle. Now I have an hexagon, right? So, as you remember, the area of a regular polygon is 1/2 of the apothem times the perimeter, right? So let's name that P, HB, right? So in this case, I have an hexagon, so that means that I have 6 sides, so all of them are 8. We're assuming that this is a regular polygon, right? But we need to find the hypotenuse. So it's this distance right here. I need to find that distance, right? So as we know, this is right, and we have the radius right here. Right? So this is half, so this means this is 4. And this angle is 30, right? Remember that this whole angle here, this is 60, right? And if we split that 360 into 6, this is 60, this whole angle. So half of that one is 30, right? So I have a 30, 60 triangle, right? But I want to show before, instead of using a special triangle, how to use um, the trigonometry ratios here on this triangle. So I need to find the apothem. So I need to find this measure area here. Right? So I have, from angle 30, I have the opposite and I have the adjacent. So that means that I'm going to use tangent. So tangent of 30 equals 4 over 8, opposite over adjacent, right? So I'm going to cross multiply. So tangent of 30 equals 4, and then I'm going to divide by tangent of 30. So A in this case is let's round it to the nearest whole number or nearest charge, so it's 7 yards. So my area here, my area is 1/2 times 7 times the perimeter, that is 6 times 8. So my area is 168 yards square. So now I have a, let's count how many sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have a double count, right? So that means that I have a 12-sided, and it's 12, so 12 sides, right? So my first step, again, I'm now going to look for my apothem. Right? So I'm gonna look for this measure right here, that measure right there. Right? knowing that this is a triangle, so knowing that this is right. So first of all, I need to find this angle, right? Remember that I can find it by dividing 360 divided by 12. So that angle is 30. So this whole angle, right? This whole angle is 30. So that means that this one is 15, right? I know again that this is 1 inch, and I need to find the apothem. So I need to find this. So again, I have tangent. So apothem equals, right? So it's tangent of 15 equals the opposite over the adjacent. So 1a. I'm going to cross multiply. Or I'm going to multiply times a on both sides. So a tangent of 15 equals 1. Tangent of 15 on both sides. So a equals over tangent of 15, approximately 3.7 inches. Right? So my area equals 1/2 times 3.7 times 2 times 12. So this equals to 44.4 inches square. Now on this one I have the perimeter already. So I know I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since this is a pentagon, so that means that each side is 4 kilometers, right? Now I need to find my apothem, right? So I need to find the measure right here. So I need to find A. Again, I'm going to do the triangle. Remember that this angle is 360 divided by 5. So it's 72. And 72 divided by 2 is 36. Right? Again, remember that this whole angle is 32. Is 72. So half of that is 36. 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers. So that means that, again, my apothem is 36, the opposite over the adjacent. So tangent of 36 equals 2 over a. I'm going to multiply times a on both sides equals 2, and then I'm going to divide by tangent of 36. So a equals approximately 2.8 kilometers. Now my area is 1/2 of 2.8 times 20. I already know that my perimeter is 20. So that means that this is 28 kilometers square. Now the last one, again, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? So that means that each side is 2 feet. I'm just dividing this by 11. So I'm going to find my apothem right here. Let's draw it right there. And let's draw this right there. So each angle right here is 32.7, but I need to divide that by 2. So that means that this is approximately 16.4. Let's call it. So that this angle is 16.4 degrees. Right? So this is 1, and I need to find the opposite. So again, I'm using tangent of 16.4 equals the opposite over the adjacent. So A of tangent of 16.4 equals 1 divided by tangent of 16.4. So A equals 1 over tangent of 16.4 is 3.3 or 3.4 feet. So now my area equals 1/2 of 3.4 times 22. So this area equals 37.4 feet square. And that's it for this lesson. May the force be with you.